Oh my god, there are people here. They're like walking by, they're watching me. I feel like I don't like this lighting at all. What is up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because we are doing body contouring services, specifically ultrasonic cavitation and radio frequency skin tightening. I'll explain to you guys what they are, but I'm really excited. And I have a little special for you guys, so just keep watching and I hope you guys enjoy it. So today we are at the Sculpt Spa seeing my girl Sylvia. The Sculpt Spa offers different services like body treatments and facial treatments, each priced at $95. Today we are going to be doing, like I said, ultrasonic cavitation and radio frequency skin tightening. What you see right here is us doing, well, prepping for the ultrasonic cavitation, and then immediately after, we'll be doing the radio frequency skin tightening. What ultrasonic cavitation is, it uses low ultrasound frequency to rupture and emulsify the fat cells. Then we remove the fat cells from our body through our lymphatic system. And then radio frequency improves aging skin by creating collagen and elastin. It's great for smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles, evening out skin tone and textures, resurfacing scarring and stretch marks, helps pores appear smaller, tightens loose skin in any area of the body. Both treatments require zero downtime. Body treatments can be done once or twice a week, 3 to 7 days apart, and the facial treatments can be done every 7 days. Here is a before shot of my midsection. You can see that I'm a little bloated. I do have a little stubborn lower belly fat, and you can't really see my waist. But in my after shot, you could see the waistline has trimmed down, and there is significantly less bloating, and my stomach definitely looks much flatter. After the treatment, you're going to want to sweat for at least 30 minutes within the next 24 hours. The next 3 days are super important because you need to help your body get rid of all those fat cells out of your lymphatic system. And to do so, you have to exercise and drink lots and lots of water. Like a lot of water. At least 2 liters each day. I drink about 128 to 147 ounces. I love these treatments so much, and I really like the results that I'm getting, and I wanted to make this accessible for you guys. So I made a deal with Sylvia, and we agreed that new clients will get one 40-minute session for $89, or that broken up into 2 20-minute sessions for the same price, or you could get 2 40-minute sessions for $139. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to ask for Sylvia at the Sculpt Spa, and I will tag her Instagram so that you guys can ask her and DM her with any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.